Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege crashing on PC, so make sure to follow my methods. Now for the first method, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. After that, type in the search Steam or Epic Games, whatever the launcher that you have the game on. I have it on Steam for example. So after that, you'll most likely find the launcher running in the background, so make sure to select the process, right click and then select in task. Just wait for a couple of moments and then try relaunching the game and see if it works. Now for the next method, you can go to the Windows search bar and type in NVIDIA app. You should find it displaying like this if you do have an NVIDIA graphics card. Otherwise, you should open the AMD app. If you do have an NVIDIA graphics card but you can't find the NVIDIA app for some reason, you can just go straight to the NVIDIA website and then you can download it from there. Once you open it, you have to sign up with an account. After that, go to this drivers icon right here. Now all you have to do is to click on the install button appearing on the right in order to update your graphics card driver. Next, you should go to the settings in the left menu and make sure to turn off and switch off the NVIDIA overlay right here. Once done, you can close that. For the next method, you can go to the search and type in device manager. Make sure to open this. Now this window will obviously pop up, so look for display adapters. To that, select this side arrow and then you should go straight and select your graphics card, right click and select update driver. Now select the first option and click on close. If the issue still occurs, just for the next method, go reopen your launcher once again. Once done, you should go to the view option in the top left corner and then select library. From here, go search for Rainbow Six Siege in the left menu. The game must be installed in order for this method to work, so ensure that you have the game installed. After that, go to this gear icon and select properties. Now go to launch options and type in -DX11. After that, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. That way the corrupted or missing files that are responsible for the crashing issues of Rainbow Six Siege will automatically be fixed. You need to wait for the process to finish. After that, you can close all of this and then go to the Windows icon and try restarting your computer and see if the problem is fixed. And that's it. If you do find it helpful, consider like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.